In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Airtable pipelines using Claude AI. Start by opening Claude AI and creating a new chat. Once the chat is ready, paste in a prompt that tells Claude to build a pipeline system directly in your Airtable using the integration. The prompt should ask for a table with fields for item name, stage, status, value, owner, priority, and dates. It should also request a clear stage-based workflow, a tracking setup, and a complete configuration that is ready to use. After sending the prompt, give Claude a moment to generate the pipeline setup in Airtable. When that is complete, open Airtable and go to your workspace. Look for the newly created base that contains your pipeline system. Open that base so you can review what was generated. Next, check the main pipeline table. Confirm that all of the expected fields were created correctly. You should see fields for item name, stage, status, value, owner, priority, and dates. These fields form the core structure of the pipeline and make it possible to manage work clearly as it moves through each phase. Now review the stage workflow. Make sure the stage field is organized in a logical order that matches the process you want to track. Check the status field as well, and confirm that it supports the workflow in a useful way. This helps ensure that each record can be monitored accurately from the beginning of the pipeline to the end. This gives you a visual layout of the pipeline and makes it easier to manage movement between stages. With this view in place, you can begin adding pipeline items into the table. Enter the relevant details for each item, then assign each one to the correct stage. As work progresses, update the stage field to move items through the pipeline. This allows Airtable to function as a live tracking system for your process. You can continue reviewing status, priority, ownership, and dates as items advance, which helps keep the pipeline organized and easy to manage. After everything is set up and tested, you are ready to start using the pipeline in your daily workflow. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.